Alright, so we're gonna hike Vane, and we just parked the, I forgot what it's called. Put it right here. It's literally like just right down the road. Like we went walking for 2 minutes, but I forgot to film that. But I think it is hard to get to, like it's kind of confusing. So I wanted to show you. You have to pass the Sloy power station, and I think you have to continue for 1 kilometer on this path, which will then turn right. But because there's no parking near the trail, this is just the closest we can get. So let's see if I'm right, or if the instructions I read are right, and hopefully we don't get too lost. Wish us luck. And I think up some stairs we go. So I think we went 1 kilometer. We went the sign right here, path ends, but I think we just go up this way. So let's check it out. So you know you're going the right way if you're going underneath a railway. Nice. Don't mind me, just chilling with my new friends. Some more friends over yonder.
Whee!
And Erin.
Just kidding.
But she's not a new friend. So we just came this way, going that way. Ignore this little path to the left.
And back further.
And like 3 minutes back, ignore the one that goes to the right. So we're just gonna keep going forward, and supposedly we'll get there in a bit. Just got to a fork on the road, and according to the map I'm following, we need to go left here. So I guess towards Lomond Loop or Rochar. So on the rocky path, just go this way, and supposedly we'll hit a bridge crossing a little stream in a bit. So let's see. Just crossed the bridge. Here's a little stream river, and onward we go to the left. Never mind, guys. Don't take Lomond Loop. Don't do it. I just wasted an hour of my life because I can't read directions. So keep going. I think I'll show you where to go next.
Hopefully.
So the instructions or directions we're following says turn left onto a stone here, like stones, more stone track.
You can see the dam.
However, this does seem like the bridge they were talking about. Wish me luck, or wish us luck.
Part 2.
Erin's so excited that she couldn't wait, but I think we finally made it. You see those steppy rocks?
Steppy rocks.
I think this is it.
Hopefully.
Oh, thank goodness. A sign, a helpful sign, right? Nah, JK. Doesn't help at all. But if you do come here with a dog, it's true. It's a bit muddy, so wear good boots. Well, can't even see the start of the trail, but you can kind of see where the trail goes. And we're not there yet, but you can see 3 lochs. Let me give you some perspective. We're still going higher. We started down there. And I don't know if the zoom and this can even capture it, but there's people hiking right about there. Don't fall. Can any geologist tell me what this is? Maybe I should probably get out of the way. It's like quartz. I mean, here I have a little piece. Huh, cool. Yeah, you know, just your typical hike on the side of a mountain, and then you see some sheep, goats. Bye. All right, we made it, guys. Here, I cannot tell you how happy I am that we made it. Only took, even with our wrong way, 3 hours and 15 minutes. 3,072 feet elevation and 5.37 miles, but that's with a mile of us going the wrong way. So let's see if I can show you some better views. But let me tell you really quick while I have it in my mind. Strenuous, like it's strenuous. It's hard. Only like if it'll take you a while if you're not in the best shape, and if you are in the best shape, it'll still take you some time. So don't bring kids, teenagers that are capable, yes, and just be ready. Let's see, car park. I already showed you where to park. And if you have fear of heights, maybe this isn't a hike for you. So yeah, early review, maybe last review, final review is yes, worth it. 10 out of 10, super good. Like, wow, guys, honestly. No, but honestly, like 10 out of 10.
Make sure to bring food though.
Yeah, bring food. Bring food. We only brought cashews because of my bad planning, but we have a delicious sandwich waiting in the car. But 10 out of 10.